Okay, this is module 12.4 A and B on the baseline spreadsheet series. And this is simply figuring out what volume increase rates have, what kind of effect that has on your budget. And like here, the baseline budget right now is just simply whatever this is, and so we can go and we can say, you know, just copy that and goes right down the line here. Your volume increase rate is given at 3%, and so I want to know what that volume increase rate looks like. Simply this times this, and so you're talking about if you have a 3% increase in volume, then like the nurse practitioner works on a kind of a sliding scale, she's going to get 3% more money, so your volume increase is going to cost you the additional $1,950, and so we want to know what that subtotal is, and so that will be equals this plus this. All right, and so then what effect is that rate increase? Times, and that's going to bump your that's going to bump your costs are about 4% overall. So you would just simply add 4%. You get 1.04. In an earlier spreadsheet, they actually stuck this in other places, and so yeah, not really necessary. And you know, in the real world, like we showed other, you would actually stick this stuff. First of all, base budget. You don't really need that there if you're putting it here. So this is really illustrating what this looks like across the line, and all pretty straightforward. So figure out what your what your numbers are going to look like. Remember, benefits are percentage of salaries, and so they're 20%. So to show you again, we talked about this earlier. So it's going to be whatever the salary is, which in this case is we want to know what the bump is. So it's this times, and your percentage of benefit salaries here is 20%. So it's going to cost you an extra $390 in benefits for this rate increase, the volume increase, and I know simply you're just going to add those up, and that's your that's going to be what the volume increase is going to cost you. And so you need to figure out how you do your rate increase, and it's the same stuff across the board. Just do the same math that you did here, and remember to use the same formulas right down the rows, and then you'll tally these up, and you are set. That is 12.4 A and B.